This is a list of American high school students who have run a 4-minute mile since the feat was first accomplished in 1964. The first person to run the mile, 1,760 yards, or 1,609 meters, in under 4 minutes was Roger Bannister in 1954, in a time of 3:59.4. This barrier would not be broken by a high school student until 1964, when Jim Ryun ran the distance in a time of 3:59.0 at the Compton Relays. Ryun went on to set a national high school record of 3:55.3, which stood until 2001 when it was broken by Alan Webb. 11 high school students have run the mile in less than 4 minutes since 1964. The youngest runner to ever run an official 4-minute mile is Norwegian runner Jakob Ingebrigtsen, who ran 3:58.07 at the Prefontaine Classic in May 2017, when he was 16 years and 250 days old.